Hello and welcome to Click&Draw. Today I received the Faber Castell 9000 and I want to share the unboxing, the first impressions and a review. These pencils are from Faber Castell, and they have a very good score on Amazon and by artists. I leave you the direct purchase link to the Faber Castell store in the description, in case you want to go see them once the video ends. Okay, now that I have the pencils in my hands, let's start. At first glance, the pencils come in a metal box, which is good, since it makes them easy and resistant to transport. Let's open them. We remove the typical Faber Castell manuals. At first glance, they are great. They are very good quality. The weight is excellent and they are very good. Honestly, I did not expect it. I thought they would be harder or lighter, but they are very good. Once I have seen this, we will start with the test. Okay, now we go with the gradients and how they cling to the paper. If you don't know how to make gradients with graphite pencils, I'll leave you the video up here. They feel very smooth when drawing. I really could spend hours drawing with these pencils and I wouldn't get tired. They are perfect. Well, as I said, the pencils are creamy and they easily grip the paper, so it's easy to make gradients with them. It is important that the pencils adhere well to the paper to be able to add more layers of graphite. As I said, the pencils are very well pigmented and their graphite is strong and impressive. If you want me to teach you how to make drawings with graphite pencils, leave your like and subscribe. Remember to activate the bell, since in a few days I will do an unboxing and review of the 150 unit Prismacolor Premier. I'm very excited about it and I want to share it with you. Conclusion: the pencils have a good performance on paper. They are excellent for making both basic and hyper-realistic drawings. The truth is that they surprised me a lot and I totally recommend them. They are perfect for any type of technique and use. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching, good luck and see you.